Baby girl imitating Sho Madjozi's dance moves is adorbs. Everyone knows that children are brutally honest, so as an artist, when a kid goes gaga over your track, you know it's genuine. Sho Madjozi's unique style and authentically African sound has won over people from across the world, and not only the woke youth but old and young people alike. The youth like Sho for her raw pride for all things African, the elders dig her for not abandoning her roots, and well, the toddlers, they just love the way she dances. So much so that whenever they see her doing things on stage, they follow suit. And this little human being doing her thing below is swoon-worthy. Meanwhile, Chris Brown, yes, the real Chris Brown, like the one who sings Kiss Kiss, shared a video of local school kids dancing to Sho Madjozi's hit song Dlathu. You might think it ain't a big deal, until it hits you that Chris has over 45 million followers on the gram, all of whom now know Dlathu.